In many homes, septic tanks are located above the horizontal plane of the basement. Because of this, sewage from the basement can't flow upward on its own to reach the main sewer line. In public buildings, the main sewer pipes are often located far away from the bathroom. Traditionally, floors have to be demolished, so waste pipes can be lowered enough for proper drainage. When pipelines run too long, they can raise the finished floor height, affect the overall design, and increase construction costs. The Lift Assure Macerating toilet pump solves these issues with a powerful horizontal discharge of up to 295 feet, allowing wastewater to move easily within the same drainage level. To install, place the Macerator pump against the wall and connect the toilet outlet to the pump using the 100mm clamp. The Lift Assure Macerator pump includes two side inlets that can connect to a sink and a shower using a 40mm outlet. Make sure the drain line maintains a 3% slope. The pump also supports a vertical discharge of up to 22 feet. The unit works fully automatically when wastewater from the toilet, shower, or sink enters the chamber. The pressure activates an air switch, which signals the PCB to power the motor, and the rotating impeller pumps the wastewater into the main sewer line. If something blocks the impeller, an alarm will sound for 3 minutes to alert the user that maintenance is needed and to protect the motor. If the motor becomes blocked, simply open the left service lid, remove the motor, and clear the obstruction or replace the motor without disconnecting any plumbing. The Lift Assure Macerator pump uses a high-quality 800-watt AC motor and features special grinding blades designed to help prevent clogs. Reliable performance you can count on with Lift Assure.